So in today's class, I'm going to be telling you about binary trees. The first thing I'd like to let you know about binary search tree. Binary tree is that anytime you hear about binary tree in programming, we are talking about binary search tree. So basically, the two are actually different, but binary search tree is a subset of binary trees. So the first thing I'm going to tell you, so let me take a different color pen. The first thing I'm going to tell you is the properties. So what actually makes a tree a binary search tree? Properties of BST. So the first one is that each node should have at most two children, should have at most two children. All right. The second one is that the left child must be smaller than the root. The left child must be, remember I'm putting must here, must be smaller than or less than or equal to the root. So basically there are three properties, and I'm going to tell you the third one. The third one is that the right child must be greater than the root. So let's take an example of a binary search tree. So let's start by drawing a node, and we have something like this. So for it to be a binary search tree, if we have, let's say, 3 here, and we have 1, and we have 3, we have 1, and we can have 4 here. So in this case, you can see that 1 is less than 3 and 4 is greater than 3. Alright. One thing you might be told to do is to form a binary search tree using a given the head of the tree or the root of the tree. Let's say we have 9. So form a binary search tree using 6, or add these numbers to a binary search tree: 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So how would you do that? Let's start with 6. So the first thing we want to do is to compare it to the root node. Is it greater or less than? 6 is less than the root, so we go this way. It goes to the left. 7, okay, how do we check it? We check if the root is less than the root, so we go this way. We compare it with 6, and it's greater than 6, so it means it comes this way, right? Then 8, we check 8. 8 is actually greater than the root, right? So it goes to, it's less than the root, so it goes this way, and it comes this way as well because it's greater than 7. So 10 goes this way because it's greater than the root. 11 goes this way and it goes this way. So basically this is a tree, but you can see that the shape is kind of not very good. So there's something called rotation. I'm going to teach you that actually takes a tree that is kind of lopsided and tries to balance it up. Rotation. So if you look at the link below this video, you can see a video that links to where I explain what rotation is all about. Now, how do you represent a binary search tree in Java or in any programming language? So to do that, you create a class. Let's call this class BST. It needs to have the data it contains. So let's say private int data. So this represents the data contained in this tree, like the numbers, and we also have BST left. So this represents the left subtree, and then the right subtree should be alright. So some other thing comes here and then you close it. Okay. So this is basically what you need to know about binary search tree. In the next lessons, I'm going to teach you about how to traverse a binary search tree, how to print the items in a binary search tree, how to find item in a binary search tree, and so on. So I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and also leave a comment to let me know if there's something you want me to explain better.